Like, you can't deny it. Like, this face is freshly baked. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. I don't know what time it is wherever you are, but I'm just greeting everybody, you know. So you guys, are you happy to see me? Because I am happy to see you guys, even though I can't see you guys, but I'm happy to make this video. So today's video, that's a video. Damn. A video. So today's video is going to be about this look. Not this look, actually, like it's actually about how to highlight and contour correctly, like how to go about your highlight and contour as a beginner, like how to highlight that face and bake that face, you know, mixing all the ingredients, the sugar, the flour, the salt, the eggs, the butter, like just mixing everything together and making that nice cake. So this is the cake. So I'm going to teach you guys how to highlight, contour and bake your face and still look, and it's still gonna look neutral and nice and dewy. Like, you guys look at me, right? So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, like, guys, what are you waiting for? Pause this video, check down there, you're going to see the red subscribe thingy button. Like, just press that subscribe button and cost you nothing, guys. Just press the subscribe button and make sure to press the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Guys, support your girl. Like, I'm doing all this for you guys. Like, support your girl. So guys, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm saying it, like I am repeating this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, join the farm. Let's have fun together. Like, let's have fun together, guys. So without further ado, let's just jump into the guys video. I already have my foundation on, and the foundation I used is the Milani Perfect Conceal foundation, and this is in the shade Spiced Almond, color 12, Spiced Almond. So now I'm going to be using concealer for under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my chin, on my forehead, just above my lips, and just to give myself some extra contour. And I'm going to be mixing the LA Girl Pro concealer in Warm Honey with this shade on this palette. I'm just going to be applying that right now. So if you have a round face like me, like you would want to just leave your highlights just around here. You don't want to extend it all the way outwards. I don't know, you don't want to extend it all the way. Unlike people with a slimmer face, they can definitely extend their highlights all the way, but for people with a round face and with cheeks, you just want to follow a triangle shape like this.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So we're only putting the concealer here just to make our contour sharp. So for contour, I usually use the darkest shade in this palette, which is this very black color. So you can use any dark shade of your choice, really, any dark shade that is like about 2 shades or 3 shades darker than your skin tone. You're just going to use that for your contour, and I'm just using this pencil brush to apply it. I'm just going to be applying it on just right above my cheeks. I don't know how to explain this, but like I'm actually putting it in the hollows of my cheek, like right there.
Finding life along the way, rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So this is the part where I'll give you my secret. So when I want to set my face, I usually use my brush first. Like I just take the smallest amount of setting powder, and the setting powder I usually use, like always, it's a black opal setting powder in light. So I just take the littlest, like just a little bit of this powder. I just do this, and I just tap into my skin. To bake, I just take my beauty blender and I just go in and I just tap that on there. Guys, I really don't bake, but just on some cases I do bake, but for the sake of this video I'm going to bake. So the reason why I usually use powder with my brush before baking is because like it just makes your powder come out better and nicer. I don't know. So I'm just going to be. So so while I allow my powder bake, I just went ahead to take some pictures for my thumbnail and for other things, you know, for Instagram and all. So before I just do my powder, I'm going to be setting my contour. I'm using the classic contour effect palette, and I'm just going to be using the contour shade right here. I'm just going to be using that to set my contour, and I'm using an angled brush, a dense angled brush. This brush is pretty dense, so I just got a smaller brush for my nose contour. So now to dust off my baking powder, I'm just going to be using my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC45. I'm just going to be tapping it like really lightly, not anything intense. Like I'm just going to be tapping it lightly. I'm going to be tapping it lightly like that. Then I'm just going to be going in circular motions to dust. So now for blush, I'm going to be using my favorite blush. And now, like, if you've been following my videos for a while now, you know that this is my favorite blush, and it is a find. Like, I've not seen it anywhere else since when I got this, and it is the True Self makeup blush, and it is really tiny. This part is completely optional. Like, if you don't want to use blush, it's okay not to use blush, but I just love to use blush. Especially when I got this blush, like, I can't do without it. And I usually use my blush like contour. I just use it on the places that I contour, except my nose, of course. So I just use my setting spray, and this is the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix spray. I'm just going to put that. I'm just going to be putting that all over. Like, I'm just going to be bathing in this spray. So what the spray does is it just locks everything, like all the contour and highlight, just locks everything in, and then it's you move the powdery look and just, you know, give you that extra glow. So when my spray is about to dry completely, like it's dry literally, but some part of my face is still wet, so that's when my highlights come in. That this is my favorite highlight, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the golden bronze, which is my favorite.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, this is the finished look. I usually don't bake or highlight or contour every time when I want to go out. On some special occasions, I like to highlight and contour. So when I want to highlight and contour, this is what I do, and I think this is the right way to highlight and contour without getting a cakey effect. Like, for me, I think that is the trick. As you guys can see, this makeup is not cakey at all. Like, it just looks like normal everyday makeup, but I actually highlighted and contour. So and the bold look, like, I'm loving those lipsticks. Like, so like, this is the first time I'm using a red lipstick, and I'm super excited about it. So what do you guys think about this look? What do you guys think about my highlight and contour technique? Like, if you have any comment, any thought, anything whatsoever, leave it in the comment section below. You guys, you can see from my voice that I am not settled. Like, I don't know, I just had to do this video I'm really stressed. I just have to like film this video so I can edit it and upload it later this week, because I'm super tired right now. I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys.